guys, today I am making the paper origami. It is tippy tippy top. I have taken the square sheet and I have folded like this and like this. Don't focus on this line. Now we will open it. This middle center I have taken it. We have to touch the middle center by folding it like this. Now this is open side and this is closed side. I have taken the closed side and we will fold also. Same like this. And we have to do like this. Now I have fold. We will get like this. Now I will take the other side open side. So open side ऐसी हो गई है. So I will fold like this.
25 minutes.
I will take this. How to open it? Take these two sides. Open these two sides. Fold on these two sides. We have fold. So take fingers